Hi lovelies, so I've literally just done my brows and sorted out the lid. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the Be Perfect Manifest palette. This palette, guys, she is gorgeous and I don't know what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to first go into the shade BPB, which is this shade here, and run that into the crease using my big fluffy brush from Sigma. I got this in the Danny DeFreitas box. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it down below for you guys. So I'm going in to BPB. I'm gonna pop that into the crease using this big fluffy brush. I want something autumny, and this palette screams autumn to me, guys. How are you guys all doing anyway? Have you all got plans for Halloween? I think my plans this year are going to involve popcorn, probably Hocus Pocus 2, because I'm waiting out to watch it for Halloween, because it's one of my favourite favourite Halloween films of all time from when I was growing up, and I absolutely loved Hocus Pocus. So I'm then going to go into a little bit of a smaller fluffy brush and go into 10-second tan and literally just go underneath where I've just put that BPB shade. And you know me, I'm probably gonna carve this out because the shimmers in this palette, oh my god, they are so dreamy. Then I'm gonna go back into BPB, just gently tickle the top so that they're back in there. So just tickle, 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 nothing too harsh. I'm gonna go into an even smaller fluffy brush and go into the shade Rabbit Hole. Concentrate that on the outer corner just to give the eye a little bit more depth. Keeping it quite low down in that outer corner. And I'm just using like little patting motions. And then I'm going to go into my big fluffy brush with the BPB shade and just blend ever so gently. So like, what are your plans for Halloween, guys? And let me know, because I'm a nosy bitch and I like to know these things. I like to keep in the loop with you guys. I'm still not well, guys. I still feel awful. It's not good. It's not good at all. So I'm off today, which is Wednesday. I don't know the date, I put the date on screen, but it's Wednesday and I'm off work and I'm going to be filming Sunday's video, which is this video, and then I'm also going to be filming for next Wednesday's video. I want to put a little bit of Home Mummy. Oh, it's such a nice shade, and I'm just going to pat that over the dark brown. Oh yeah. Giving me autumn vibes, guys. So this is like an autumn glam, and then I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and just blend any harsh lines away. I've got the Be Perfect Carnival XL palette with Stacey Marie, in collaboration with Stacey Marie. I've now got this palette. I'm just obsessed with it, guys, so obsessed. It's going to take a baby wipe and get rid of a little bit of fallout, nothing too crazy, but it's just a little bit of fallout. Concealer I'm using is the Be Perfect Chroma concealer, and I'm just gonna carve these out so I can't talk when I'm doing this bit. Which one do I use, guys? That's the main question. Which shimmer do I use? Oh, they're all so nice. So we're going to go into Hey You Love first. I'm going to take this flat brush, pop that on the lid. Oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. I don't know if I should or not. I'm then going to go into Pride with this small brush. Pick some of that up on the brush. And then I'm going to spritz it with some setting spray. And we're going to pop this on as well. Oh, baby. Yes, guys, yes. Oh my God. Oh, that's just stunning. I'm then going to take my big fluffy brush, dip into a BPB and just blend around that edge. I'm then going to go off camera, do the other eye, put some lashes on, and I'm going to be right back. So the lashes I'm using today, guys, are the GWA Girls with Attitude lashes. These are the Luxe Silk Effect lashes, and they're in the style, doesn't say, but I'm using these ones anyway for reference. I'll be right back. So that's the lashes on, guys. Not going to focus too much on the lashes because they don't look amazing. They were really good lashes, don't get me wrong. So I'm going to put some facial cream on. So I'm going to use the Lacura one from Aldi, not Primark, it's Aldi. So I'm going to use some of this from Aldi. Absolutely love this cream. Then I'm going to be using the Kiehl's eye cream that I got in a Danny DeFreitas box. This stuff is amazing. It's pricey, but it's amazing. And all products, guys, will be linked. Oh God, don't get in my eye. All products will be linked down below for you guys if you want to check any of them out. And I will be popping them down below, I promise. So then I'm going in with the Bondi Sands I Spy. This is like a brightening eye cream, but I use it all over my face because it gives me that beautiful glowy skin. So I tend to just use it all over. I wanted to use my Chroma Cover from Be Perfect foundation, but it's not arrived yet and I've run out of my other one. The one that was really dirty in one of my last videos. So yeah, there's that. So guys, let's go on to the face now. Now put all my lotions and potions on. Oh, I love the eyes. I'm just going to give them a little bit of a, with no product on the fluffy brush, I'm just going to give them a little bit of a blend. Because if you're new to my channel, I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm obsessed with makeup. Obsessed. Right, so I use this in every single makeup I do, whether it's full glam or everyday for work. I can't stop using this product. It is amazing. So it's the collection Glow Gorgeous Filter Finish and Boosting Complexion. I'm gonna pop this literally all over my face because I love that glowing skin, because I'm a dry girl on the skin and I love it to be glowy. So I'm just gonna literally rub that all in with my fingers. Get that skin all nice and glowy. I mean, oh, look at it. It is just lovely. Love that glowy product. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, but I haven't tried that one yet. So yeah, I'm then gonna go in with a primer. This is bougie, you know, I'm doing a glam look, so there's several steps. So I'm gonna go in with Be Perfect. I'm using quite a lot of Be Perfect products today. So I'm gonna go in with a Be Perfect Cosmetics Perfection Primer in Silky Matte, and my little pump is broke, so I have to do it this way. It's just a bit like the Benefit Professional, kind of like that silicone primer, but it feels like butter on the skin. Like my makeup's just gonna not glide off, but glide lovely on the skin, and it stays on for a long time using this. Do I use this? Yeah, no, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I got this off Vinted for £11 something because the person that sold it bought the wrong shade. I think this is like £40, this foundation. It's a number 3 warm. I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury because I bought it cheap, because that's pretty much how I got hold of Charlotte Tilbury's, babes, because it was cheap on Vinted. So all my high-end stuff, I've either got them in mystery bags or ones that I bought off Danny DeFreitas, or I've got them off Vinted, because your girl can't go buying. Oh, my sponge is not damp. I'm going to lazy dampen it. I'm going to spritz it with some, can't be bothered to get up off my butt. So I'm just going to blend this all in. But yeah, any high-end products that I get are either from a mystery bag, or I bought it off YouTubers, or I bought it off Vinted, because that's the only way I'm going to be able to afford these beautiful high-end products. I love this Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I've been looking for the Hollywood Flawless filter on Vinted, but doesn't seem to be any in my price brackets that are on there at the moment. This is a tad too light for me, but we're gonna bronze it up, babe. You bronze it up. God, my nose is still running and it's not cute. I'm gonna go in with some cream bronzer. Don't normally do it because I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna be using the W7 Bronze Chick bronzer. Oh my god, my nose. Why does it, like, when you put your makeup on, your face then decides it's gonna be so itchy? I'm going to use this brush, and it's the Jessup's Define Bruffer. Give it a little mix up in there. And then just pat it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to contour. This is a little bit orange. Very orangey. But once we've blended it out, fingers crossed, it'll be okay. Right, just get the sponge and blend. It's very orangey. I think it's working out, guys. I did it. So I put bronzer on, cream bronzer, it's fine. It all washes off. Another bougie product, so I'm going to be using the Rodale blush drops. I got this in a beauty bag as well. So this is in Frosted Pink. Dobby for you dobbies here. Put a little bit across the nose because that's what I've seen people do. So obviously I'm going to do the same, and yes, I'm going to be using my stippling brush, obviously, that I use for my blush. And people have been bringing it under the eyes and then onto the apples of their cheek. Is that too much? Have I just done that a wee bit too much? I look like a little bit of a rag doll. Once that's all blended with the sponge, it doesn't look so crazy. I'm then gonna set it all with the e.l.f. powder. So this e.l.f. powder, I'm gonna use my Real Techniques brush just to set under the eyes there. I'll then take my big brush from Beauty Bay and set the rest of my face. And then I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula All Star Face Palette. And I'm going to go into this bronzer and just bronze up the sides of my face and my forehead. And then I'm going to pinch it and go down the sides of my nose. I'm going to use this little Revolution palette. So this is with the Lion King collaboration. And this is like a shimmery bronzer. So I'm just going to pop that on the cheek. Just on the cheekbones. So for blush, I'm going to go in with this W7 Blush Rebel, and I'm going to use my big blush brush because you guys know I love this from Real Techniques. I've had it years. I'm just going to blush up those cheeks. Just going to give it a little bit of a spritz. So I'm going to use this face spritzer. So this is the Barry M Fresh Face Fixing Spray. I love this fixing spray. I got it off Sean when we did the box swap, the beauty box swap. I love it. Absolutely love it. So, where's mine? Let's just be a bit bougie. So the last thing to do is highlighting lips. So while that all settles on my face, I'm going to pop some lip products on. So for lip liner, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lip liner, and this is in Trendsetter. Love this lip liner. For on top, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Matte Paint Lip that I got off Sean when we did the box swap. And this is in the shade Nude on Fleek. Oh, it pairs so well with that lip liner. So this is the Lifter lip gloss from Maybelline, and I have it in the shade Ice. Oh yeah, that goes so well. Last thing is highlighter. So I'm going to put on the Sigma highlighter, and this is in Golden Hour. Look at that. So nice. I might just get a little brush and pop that in the inner corner. And brow bone. Setting spray. So I got this one from Revolution. I've been trying to get this for ages. It's their Super Dewy Fixing Spray, and I think it's a dupe for the Morphe one. Oh, that smells gorgeous. So guys, this is my final look for fall autumn glam. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I am totally obsessed with this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You guys know what to do, so you get updated every single time that I'll upload a video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday here on my channel. So until next time, guys, have a fabulous week, weekend, whatever you are doing. Stay safe, and I love you always. Bye, guys. Bye.